Well, the public health situation in Greater Manchester continues to deteriorate. We've now had 10 days of discussions in good faith with local leaders in Greater Manchester. We've not so far been able to reach an agreement. We've offered a comprehensive package of support in addition to the national measures that have been set out by the Chancellor. I've written this evening to the Mayor of Greater Manchester and to local leaders in the city region to say that if we're not able to reach agreement by noon tomorrow, then with deep regret I'll have to advise the Prime Minister that we're not able to reach an agreement at this time.